Now I'll start with exercise 2.6 continuation. Already last class 2.6 up to 4 Roman letter already completed. Now I'll go into 5th Roman letter. So what's the 5th one? Can you get a pure surd? Can you get a pure surds when you find first one is the sum of two surds. You take two surds. You take two surds. So what are the surds you taking now? 4 into cubic root of 21 plus another surds minus 3 into cubic root of 21. Now which is common for both? Cubic root of 27. Cubic root of 21 is common, so taking outside. Here 4, here minus 3. 4 minus 3. What is the value of 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is 1. So equal to cubic root of 21. 4 minus 3, 1. What is the meaning of the pure surds? The coefficient must be 1. Cubic root of 21, there is no number 1. The coefficient must be 1. It is a pure surds. So the answer is yes. Second one. Now what is the definition of pure surds? The coefficient must be 1. It is a pure surds. Second one, the difference of the two surds. You take two surds. One is 7 into 4th root of 25. Another one is minus 6 into 4th root of 25, which is common for both. 4th root of 25. Taking outside 4th root of 25. So 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 into 4th root of 25. The coefficient must be 1. So it is a pure surds. Yes. Third one, the product of two surds. The product of two surds. So cubic root of 5 into cubic root of 4. Already I given the formula. Now nth root of A into nth root of B equal to nth root of AB. Applying by this formula. So third root of AB, 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. So cubic root of 20. There is no number. The coefficient must be 1. So yes, it is a pure surds. I am going to 4th one. The quotient of two surds. The quotient of two surds. You take two surds. So root 2 into root 5 divided by root 2. Quotient means dividing. Now inside of the root 2 term splitting. Root 2 into root 5 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. Root 5. The coefficient must be 1. So it is a pure surds. So yes. I am going to 6th Roman letter. Can you get a rational number? When you find. Now, what is the meaning of the rational number? Rational number, it is in the form of P by Q. Rational number is nothing but a fraction. Can you get a rational number? Rational number, it is in the form of P by Q. Rational number is nothing but a fraction. So when you find first one, the sum of two thirds, you take two thirds. So 5 minus root 3 plus 5 plus root 3. Two thirds you take. Now sum means both adding. Now equal to 5 minus root 3 plus 5 plus root 3. Cancel 5 plus 5, 10. No number, the denominator must be 1. So, which is a rational number? So, the answer is yes. Second one, the difference of two thirds. You take two thirds, 5 minus root 3, difference, subtracting 2 minus root 3. So 5 minus root 3, minus inside multiplying, minus 2 plus root 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 1, which is a rational number. So the answer is yes. Third one, the product of two thirds. 5 plus root 3 into 5 minus root 3. Product multiplying. Now what type of the formula you want applying? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The formula is a square minus b square. A square 5 square, b square root 3 the whole square, 5 square 25 minus 3, so 22. 22 by 1 is a fraction, which is a rational number. So the answer is yes. Fourth one, the quotient of two thirds, 5 root 3 by root 3, cancel 5. 5 by 1, which is here, rational number. So the answer is yes. To the topic of rationalization of thirds, I am going to exercise 2.7. First one, rationalize the denominator Rationalize the denominator. The first question is 1 by square root of 50. Now 50 is split into 25 into 2. Square root of 25, 5. 5 root 2. You're removing root 2. You're taking the rationalizing factor, multiplying and dividing by root 2. You're removing root 2, multiplying and dividing by root 2. Now, 1 into root 2, root 2. 5. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 5 2s are 10. Since root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. I'll make the second sum. 5 by 3 root 5. You removing root 5, multiplying and dividing by root 5. So 5 root 5, 3, 3. Root 5 into root 5, 5. So 5. 5 cancels. So root 5 by 3. Third sum. Square root of 75 by square root of 18. 75 is split into 25 into 3. 18 is split into 9 into 2. Square root of 25, 5. Balance root 3. Square root of 9, 3. Balance root 2. You removing root 2, so multiplying and dividing by root 2. 5 root 3 into root 2, root 6. 3 root 2 into root 2, 2. 5 root 6 by 3 2s are 6. Third sum over. Next I went to fourth one. 3 root 5 divided by root 6. You removing root 6, multiplying and dividing by root 6. 5 6 are 30. Since root 6 into root 6, 6. How many times? 2 times. Root 30 by 2. Thank you, children.